Good morning all of you. This is the second video class 5 science of lesson number 4 our body. Okay. So in the last video, this is your lesson number 4. In the last video we discussed about the organization of cells in our body. The next topic that you are to read is the skeletal system. So when you are talking of skeletal system, let me show you one thing. What is this? Have you seen something of this sort? Can you see the white light? Now this one also. Can you see this white light? Now these two are the X-rays that the doctors are taking, and these is the images of the bones. That is, these are the different images of the bones that the doctors are taking or using it to find out any cracks, any deformities in the bones. Now if you take the whole X-ray from top to bottom, you will find your body like this. This is the whole skeletal system of our body, and when you are to define it or shortly define it, it is called rigid framework of bones. So when we want to define skeletal system, this one, we say it as rigid framework of bones. Rigid means which is very hard. Framework means the whole body structure of bones. Bones means especially you just feel your hand. If you want, this will be straight. If you want to bend it, it will not bend. Why? Because this is a very hard structure inside our hand, that is called as the bones. So when these different bones, they combine together and they form a framework, that is the skeletal system. Clear? Now next topic in this will be, what are the different functions of the skeletal system? What are the different functions of this skeletal system? So in this first one is support, shape and give strength to the body. Now I want to show you something. This is a paper. This is just a newspaper that is folded. Okay. Nothing is inside. You consider this as our whole body. I am keeping this on the table. It is not straight. Okay. That is when the whole body, consider this as our whole body. I keep it on this table. This is falling down or this is not able to stand properly. But inside, if I put a box, consider this as a bone. If I put a box, we can make it straight properly. If there is another box or something, any other hard thing we are putting, we can, like, there is a joint and we can move it also. Clear? With this joint, like with your legs, you can move. So the first point is, because of this thing, this whole newspaper was able to stand properly. Because of the bones, our body is able to stand properly. Our body is getting the support, shape and strength to ourselves because of the skeletal system. Next is internal organs protection. That is, our whole body is made up of different organs which are not visible to us, like heart, like lungs, like stomach. So these organs can be protected because of these bones, because of the skeletal system. Now movement of the body part means we are able to move, like I am moving with my legs. We can move our hands, we can move our neck, we can move our shoulders because of the skeletal system. These are the different functions of the skeletal system. In the next video, you will be reading about the components of the skeletal system. And whatever is there, you may write it. If you are not willing to write all these things, I will be uploading in the campus care. From there you can write as the flowchart of lesson number 2. Thank you.